Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how does Angular project works, and in the left side window you can see the application, and every Angular app consists of a file named angular.json. This file contains all the configurations of the app. While building the app, the builder looks at the file to find the entry point of the application. So here the entry point of the application is main.ts, and it's going to the main.ts file. Inside that, the main.ts file creates a browser environment for the application to run, and along with it also calls a function bootstrap module which bootstraps the application. It bootstraps the app module. So from here it's going to the app module.ts. Here again it bootstraps the app component. So here you can see at app component decorator, and we have three properties. So one is the selector used for accessing the component, and the second one is template URL, contains HTML of the component. The third one is style URLs, contains component specific style sheet. So the selector, wherever we declare this selector, that there it will display the view of the component. That means whatever we have written in the HTML file, that will be displayed where we have declared the selector. So after that it calls the index.html, and here it's frequently calls the app root. So this is the selector where we have seen in the component.ts. So, and whatever we have written in the HTML, that was displayed in the output. For example, in the index.html, I remove these and saved. So here you can see nothing is displayed. So that means without declaring any selector in the index.html, it will not display. So as a main file, we are declaring the app root selector. So this is all about the project structure, and this will be the end of the video.